61 hundredths is 10 times as much as, we'll call this n, and 1/10 of t. So we have two problems here, and let's focus on this first one. The first one is this. 61 hundredths is 10 times as much as n. So that means we have to multiply 10 times a smaller number, and that smaller number is going to be 61 thousandths. And we know that because in order to make 61 hundredths smaller, we're going to move the decimal over to the left one place, and that makes it 10 times smaller. So our answer for n, is this, that 61 hundredths is 10 times as much as 61 thousandths. Now let's go ahead and solve for t. For t, the problem will read this. We have 61 hundredths. 61 hundredths is, there's our is what? 1/10 of t. 1/10 of t. Another way to write it is 61 hundredths is equal to 0.10 or 1/10 times t. This means that t is bigger by a factor of 10. So in this case, we're going to take 0.61 and we're going to move the decimal over to the left to make it 10 times bigger, or 6 1/10. So that's what t is equal to. So back to our original problem, and I'm going to erase some of the highlights to make this more clear. Back to our original problem, 61 hundredths is 1/10 of what number? Well, that number is 6 1/10. This is Yo-Yo Juice Sticks showing you one way to solve this problem. You may have another way. As long as you understand it and it's correct and your friends understand it, then it's a great way to solve the problem.